still remember. I was in second grade. I thought it was the Olympic-sized pool. It just felt so big to me.
I started teaching because I took a class here.
And this kind of became like a second home to me.
For 4 decades, the West Shore Natatorium has been more than just a pool, a place where relationships were made, career paths forged, and life-saving skills learned.
I've been teaching for 32 years.
Nancy Fink teaches classes for the West Shore Recreation Commission. She sees community members, young and old, from 20 to 80 years of age, take her courses just about all year long.
We do a lot of that training here in the water to keep them strong. Strength training, cardiovascular training.
Keeping West Shore residents healthy and building new bridges in the process.
They are energetic. They are supportive of each other. I see camaraderie in the classes. One of the reasons that keeps me going because I meet people, through these classes and develop relationships and friendships.
My mom swam before I did, and my sister was also swimming.
Hannah Ely dives competitively for Redland High School, winning a district title just this year. But the pool is about more than competition.
I think it did make me more confident.
Her coach says the same.
It teaches them accountability. It teaches them responsibility, learning communication skills or cognitive things that they have to learn. Just seeing them progress along. Everyone that is an athlete that sticks with it, there's always a positive progression.
Coach Ludwig has seen it happen not only with his swimmers, but even his own daughter, Sadie.
The first time I walked into the natatorium was second grade for the swim lessons. My 4 years at Cedar Cliff, I had my ups and downs. I didn't really smile much. Over the course of the 4 years, I kind of grew as a swimmer. And I walked out, I think, a bigger leader.
A second home for many, including Redland Class of 2024 graduate Corinne Arms.
My first experience in this natatorium was when I was like a baby and I was just learning how to swim. I would walk past the natatorium and I saw kids on the diving board and I was like, that looks really, really fun. So I'd practice for like 2-3 hours every day.
In February 2025, Corinne had her name added to the record books for Redland, but it all comes back to community.
Well, this pool has been here since the 80s, and each year it seems to grow. People seem to gravitate to the water. I think that, we need to keep providing this kind of environment for people.
Coming up in part 2 of our Stories of the Natatorium series, hear more about the life-saving classes taught in the natatorium.
Incredibly important for all of these students to have experience in the water.
And the improvements needed to continue making memories.
Well, this is the underbelly of the natatorium. Some of the challenges that we're dealing with